will be the last question from Marwa, Kabul, Afghanistan. How can I quit listening to music as I'm addicted to it? Regarding how can you quit music, the best I can think is that if you hear the qiraat of the beautiful, of the wonderful qurra that we have in the world, when they recite the Quran, the peace of mind, the sakina, the sukoon that you get is multiple times than hearing any music, whether it be rock music, pop music, any music. I don't know what type of music are there. But if you hear the qiraat of maybe Sheikh Saud Shreem or Sheikh Abdurrahman Sudesh or Sheikh Afasi, the beautiful qiraat, there are many, Sheikh Kurdi, many qurras are there. If you hear the way they recite the Quran and the beautiful voice that Allah has given them, alhamdulillah, it brings tears to your eyes. And if you can understand the meaning, nothing like it. Or if you hear the qiraat along with the translation, which is available on the YouTube, you hear them, it's beautiful. This is one of the best ways that once you start getting hooked onto it, no music can come anywhere close to it. The second thing that I can tell you is that you can listen to the munshid, the nasheed, the Islamic nasheed, of those Islamic munshid who sing without the musical instruments. You have example of Ahmad Bukhatir, then you have then become many of his songs without the musical instrument. And mashallah, the words are Islamic, it takes you towards Allah, doesn't take you away from Allah. So if you hear the nasheed of these famous munshid, inshallah, it may give you an alternative to the music, irrespective whether you get alternative to music or not. According to the majority of the scholars, listening to musical instruments and the music, it is haram. And our beloved Prophet Muhammad said that during the end of times, when the world will come close to the end, people will say alcohol, gambling and music is halal. So see to it, inshallah, you stop it as soon as possible and get hooked on to the qiraat, to the recitation of qiraat and the Muslim munshid who do without the musical instrument.